Hello guys, I am going to show you how to use VLOOKUP today, and also I will explain how to use index and match. That they are really important Excel formulas that you can use daily in your business life, in your job, because this is kind of magic when you use the VLOOKUP and you use index and match, and your colleagues will surprise how to use this method and how do you know them. Okay, let's start. It's really easy. You will trust me. I will explain them very quick, very easy way, and you will thank me at the end of this video. Trust me. Let's start. So these are the salesperson is we are going to look up these information corresponding to salesperson. So let's pick few of them. Let's pick and copy here. Okay, this is going to be very easy method that you are going to like it. So let's put them the second row. Okay, so I am going to put the salesperson here. Yes, and I will look for this information. Okay, so how do we find them? Easy. VLOOKUP. So we are going to use VLOOKUP equal, just the equal VLOOKUP, right? VLOOKUP. So the Excel will pop up the formulation very easily. And the first thing you have to do, click the first person and comma. Okay, and then you're gonna come to other worksheet. Click here, and you will click the salesperson that you pick in the previous worksheet. And the first thing we are going to find is the region. Gonna come region. Okay, and then come here and comma. Just count from the starting point 1, 2. Let me move this here. Oops. Now pop up. Okay, where we start. Okay, and when we start from salesperson, just count 1, 2. Okay, and comma. Okay, guys, and then true or false. What is going on? I'm sorry. I think I did some mistake. So let's start again. Sorry. Equal lookup. Okay, and then click the person we were looking for and comma, come to here, and we are going to pick the all column, all yeah, both column, starting from 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, and then comma, and how many column we highlighted? 2, right? We're gonna come 2 here and comma, true or false. It is if you are looking for the um, exact match all the time, you will pick the false or 0. Okay, 0 all the time. I use 0, but you can use the false, doesn't matter. And the close the parenthesis and enter. See rest. And we are going to look at the item again. We look up salesperson, comma, and come to the sheet. And starting point is salesperson because we are looking for the salesperson. And come to here, 1, 2, 3. We highlighted 1, 2, 3, and comma. Here, how many column we picked? 3. Got 3. And I'm gonna pick false this time. False and close parenthesis and go enter. Here, it's easy. If you are looking for all of them, just drag down. But don't forget, there is here, there is a little square here, and your cursor is going to turn the plus sign. Go down, drag down. This is easy. What we are gonna do, we are going to use match and index. And the same formula, I am going to show you how to use match and index. Match and index is really similar to VLOOKUP, and you will see how to use it. This time, first you will pick match. First, all the time, you start with match. The same thing, salesperson, come here, click and comma. And you should go to the other worksheet and highlight the column B because we are looking for the salesperson. Highlight it and comma. All the time I put 0 for the exact match. 0. Close the parenthesis. Okay. Hit enter and you will see that the position of the salesperson. See, position of the salesperson in the first worksheet, it's 9. After that, how we are going to find the region, item, category, unit sold, profit, it doesn't matter. It's easy. You are going to use index. First of all, you're going to start with match and you're going to go to index. Come here. Start from here. Write index. Open parenthesis and click the salesperson. It's easy. And comma. So what you are going to do is come to worksheet. What you are looking for. Category, item, unit sold. Let's look at unit sold this time. Or the category. Let's try category. Just highlight E, comma, and don't forget the parentheses for index here. Just index, enter. What's going on? I am going to try again. Something wrong here. Match. Index. Here. It worked. Something we did mistake, but I didn't get it. But I am going to show you again. The same thing we are going to do is, let's try here again. Let's find out the region. We will find out the rest all the time. Okay, so let's pick the other salesperson this time. All of them was okay. I think item, we can pick the item this time, right? Item. So we will find out the categories here. Categories, yes. So what we are gonna do, match, click here, comma, come to the task, come to the worksheet, what we were looking for. So the match should find out the location in the highlighted column. First of all, what we were looking for, what we clicked on in category, right? So in item, right? I'm going to show you again. This is item. Match all the time, find out the same thing all the time. Okay, equal. If this is item, so you should look at the item column all the time, same thing, just item. Okay, then 0. And what we're gonna do, index, Oh my god. What I am going to do here? Match. Sorry. Click the item, comma. Item column, comma, 0, parenthesis, index again. Okay. And next, what we are looking for. Let's look at the profit. Profit and parenthesis, done. Okay. That's all. So I am going to remind you very important thing. Match. If you match an index and VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP doesn't work all the time because this is how it's designed, okay? Sometimes VLOOKUP doesn't work. For example, if you are looking for the data corresponding to salesperson is located here. If you are looking for a date, VLOOKUP doesn't work because the VLOOKUP all the time look for from right, left to right, not right to left. Okay, that's why you should use the match and index. Match index all the time is easy and precise. Okay, guys. Okay, what we were telling, match index. Match index is really easy. Then you look up all the time. Go to here. Just you are going to write first match and click what you are looking for. We are looking for the item right now. Click the item, just comma, come to other page, item, 0, close the parenthesis, index. Let's find out the date this time. Highlight the all column, just comma, and parenthesis, enter. What did you find here? Huh? This is the numbers you don't recognize, right? This is what you are going to do because this is the general type of the numbers. You have to convert them, right, to short date. Here you are. You find the dates. This is all about the match and index and VLOOKUP. This is all I can do today, but I all the time prepare different videos to explain the how to use different program for you. See you next time. Please follow me and click the like if you really like this video. If you want me to prepare more videos about some strategical tools, Excel, SQL, R programming, and other data programs, whatever you are looking for, I am ready to explain everything for you guys. Have a nice day. See you next time.